SmartPack, the vacuum sealing device specifically for clothing. For improved customer satisfaction, we offer a solution for travelers who want their luggage to take up less space. Why not offer a new service for your customers to quickly and easily vacuum seal their items? Place your items in a plastic bag inside the device, close the lid, and it will compress automatically. SmartPack compresses clothing to less than half of its volume, letting you pack lots of bulky clothes. Create more space in your luggage during your travels. Now you'll have room for souvenirs. Customers can find the device in convenient locations where they may want to compress their items. It can also be used for item management, stockpiling, and for disaster response. Keeps out humidity and dust, and because items are compacted, they take up less space. Clothes will be just as soft as they were before compression. Plastic bags can be sealed even if they are larger than the width of the device. Compression rates can be adjusted for different purposes. It is safe and easy to use. For hygienic item management, reduce shipping costs, disaster response item storage, and much more. It can be used as a new service for customers to keep clothing compact, convenient, and hygienic. SmartPack, the clothing compression packaging device. TOSEI.